Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin watch to the Nike Run Club app. This guide will help you effortlessly sync your running data, ensuring all your hard-earned miles are captured in one place. We'll walk through the process step by step, making it easy for you to get your Garmin and Nike accounts talking to each other. Get ready to enjoy a more integrated and streamlined running experience with just a few simple actions. First, make sure your Garmin watch is properly connected and syncing with the Garmin Connect application on your smartphone. This is the essential first step, as Garmin Connect acts as the bridge for your workout data. Open the Garmin Connect app and confirm that your recent runs are visible there. If everything looks good, use Ready to move on to the next stage of linking your accounts. This ensures a smooth transfer of your activity information. Now, open the Nike Run Club app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile icon, usually located in the upper left or right corner, to access your settings. Look for an option like Partners, Connect Devices, or Settings, and then Partners. From the list of available applications, select Garmin. You will then be prompted to log into your Garmin Connect account to authorize the data sharing. This step securely links the two platforms. Once connected, your future Garmin activities should automatically sync over to the Nike Run Club app. After completing a run, allow a few minutes for the data to transfer and appear in Nike Run Club. If you encounter any syncing issues, a common solution is to simply disconnect and then reconnect the accounts within the Nike Run Club app settings. Also, always ensure both your Garmin Connect and Nike Run Club applications are updated to their latest versions for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.